Linkurious Enterprise relies on a group-based access rights model. Each user belongs to a group. These user groups guarantee different access rights and are specific to each data source. Linkurious Enterprise offers built-in groups with predefined rights. You also have the possibility to create custom groups. A group, whether built-in or custom, allows you to define rights for every category of node and every type of edge. It also lets you define specific rights regarding the queries, the alert, and the database management. All users belonging to a given group will get the rights defined for the group. Only administrators can create groups, users, and define access rights. To access the list of users and groups, open the Admin tab in the main menu and click on Users. It opens on the list of users for the active data source. For each user, you get an overview with its user name and email, the name of the group it belongs to if any, its creation date, and the number of visualizations saved by this user. You can filter or search for users using the drop-down menu and the search field in the top right part of the screen. To switch to the group view, click on Manage Group in the sub-menu. You access the same type of overview, but with a list of built-in and custom group actives on that data source. To add a new custom group, click on Create a Group. Give it a name, and select the nature of rights you want users to have for queries, alerts, and database management. On the next screen, you can define the access rights for each category for node. For instance, you can choose No Access, and users of that group will not see any node of that category. With Read, users will be able to display and select the nodes of that category. With Write, users will be able to edit or create nodes of that category. With Delete, users will be able to delete the nodes of that category from the database. Use the checkbox and the Action menu to apply batch choices. Repeat the process for edge types and save your group. From the group list, you can always edit or delete your group and view the rights of built-in groups. To create a user, switch to the User view. Click on Create User, fill in the account detail, and select from the group you want to add this user to. To assign multiple groups to a user, click on the plus icon and add another group. If different access rights are defined for a given node category or edge type, the more permissive one is granted. User can only belong to a single built-in group.